We're waiting for the ferry to go where?
Peng Chau.
That's right. Okay, we're on the ferry, starting our journey to
Peng Chau.
Peng Chau. Okay, we're going to Peng Chau. You know what Peng Chau means?
Yes, I know. It means flat island.
Yes, it's a flat island. Guess what, guys? Okay, we just got off the ferry from May Wo, and now we're here in Peng Chau. Okay, we're here. We're at the leather factory. And right behind me is Peng Chau, Tung Wan Beach. Alright, our Peng Chau visit is almost over. I really feel that Peng Chau is a good place to relax. Like and subscribe to my channel at Scott the Duck.